Everyone avoided the old station, especially at night. It was exactly 1:11 a.m. when he heard the tracks shaking. A train appeared from the darkness. Slow, silent, impossible. The station came alive again, like it had been waiting. People stepped inside. None of them spoke. None looked alive. The door stayed open, as if inviting him in. The train began moving, but outside the windows there was only darkness. He looked at the window and saw their faces clearly. Then the conductor approached him and asked for his ticket. That's when he noticed the names. Every passenger had been reported missing years ago. The train finally stopped. But there was no station. Only darkness outside. The passengers stood up together and slowly turned toward him, waiting. The next morning, the station was empty again. No train tracks disturbed. No sign of him. But every night at 1:11 a.m., people still hear a train arriving.